matter what I go on around a child, you know, them look up to the parents and alone, not just the father alone. So if the father and the mother behave bad, then expect the children to come up and behave bad as well, you understand?
I would say father important because them help make we reach where we want to reach, step by step to his star, man, you see it?
Role models.
The father go through a cycle and learn something what you have to teach the younger soul, you know?
A father that ensures his children grow in the right and proper way.
A good father, you would have say support. You can talk to. A good father would school and child and make them brought up in the right way, you understand me?
A father who take the time to understand them children, you know, you understand, and push out the effort and know what the kids need and provide, you understand?